In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Mailchimp verification phone number step by step. If you've switched numbers, need to update your SM's verification, or you're just trying to regain access to your account settings, this guide will walk you through the whole process in a simple way. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Mailchimp in your browser and sign into the account you want to update. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This is where Mailchimp keeps your account options and personal settings. After opening the profile menu, click on Account and Billing. This section gives you access to your account level settings, including security and verification options. If you don't see it right away, take a second to look through the menu carefully because this is the path you need to reach the phone verification settings. Next, inside the account area, click on Settings. From there, open Security. This is the section where Mailchimp manages verification methods, including SM's authentication and phone number changes. If you're updating your verification phone number, this is the key place you want to be. Now look for the SM's option and select it. Mailchimp may present different security methods depending on your account setup, but for changing a verification phone number, SM's is the option you want. After selecting SM's, click Next to continue to the phone setup screen. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose your country. Click the country drop-down and select the correct country for your new phone number. This part is important because Mailchimp uses the country code to format and verify your number correctly. Make sure the country matches the phone number you're entering so you don't run into verification issues. Once the country is selected, type in your new phone number carefully. Double-check the digits before moving on, because even one wrong number can prevent the verification code from reaching you. If you recently changed your mobile number, this is the exact place where you update it. After entering the number, click Get Code. Mailchimp will send a verification code by text message to the phone number you entered. When the code arrives, enter it if prompted and complete the verification process so your new number gets saved correctly. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your Mailchimp verification phone number and update your SM security settings. This is a quick but important fix, especially if you no longer have access to your old number or want to keep your account security up to date. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.